people, welcome back to Venvenmusic and Country Life. Now, today, my people, is gonna be exciting. You don't want to miss out on that. So stay tuned, stay connected. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment so I can know how you're enjoying my videos. All right? That the body is made up of 102 minerals, and out of the 102, Irish moss or sea moss carries 92. Now, this is what you call awesome food. Now, this is what you call super food, my people, with super benefits. Yes, so you don't want to miss out. You don't want to try this. You should try this mix. Oh yes. Hey my people, yes, so today we will be making for you Irish moss. Yes, or some people call it sea moss. My people, superb benefits. Heart health it does support. It supports your immune system, my people. It fights inflammation. It builds your bone. It assists with your thyroid function. Yes, my people, it aids in your skin health, your hair health, your eye health. My people, so many benefits for you and especially for the men. So you don't want to miss out on that. You have to stay connected for this one. So when the water is heated up, my people, I will add the Irish moss, yes, to the water, and as you can see it. And one thing with boiling the Irish moss, you want to boil it on a low flame. Yes, my people, so this is how we do it. Yes, in the Jamaican country life, awesome things happening here. Oh yeah. So here we have the ginger, my people, and then we're gonna add it. Yes, my people, so we add a little ginger to it. Yes, so you know that ginger supports your blood flow, my people. Yes, yes, my people. Then with that, we're gonna add our flaxseed to the mix. Yes, so we're gonna add our flaxseed, my people. Oh yeah. Yes, my people, so this is how we do it, you know, in the country life. Yeah, so add our flaxseed to it and we allow it to boil. Yeah, Irish moss also removes mucus from the body, excessive mucus, yes, and build your bones and your connective tissues. Now, my people, this is what you call gomara bit. Yes, my people, and we will add this as well to the pot. Yes, my people, so this is a gomara bit, so we use a little of that, yes, in it. Yes. Yes, my people, so this is what you call the isinglass. Yes, so this is what you call the isinglass. And we will add this as well to boil to the mixture. Yes, my people. This is what you call real Jamaica country life. Yes, and this is how we boost our energy levels, my people. Yeah. If you're anemic as well, this is good for your body. Yeah. Yes, my people, so here we have it boiling. So when you add everything, you will allow it to boil. Yes, my people, and here we have it coming up. Yeah, so we'll have it to boil for an hour. You want to leave it to boil for an hour, my people. Yeah, all right, so this is how we do it in Jamaica country life. Authentic things happening right here. Yeah, so stay tuned, stay connected. You don't want to miss out on anything. Remember that when you are boiling the sea moss, my people, you have to keep the pot open or half open because it will foam in the fire, my people. Yes, awesome things going on here, my people. Oh yes, oh yes, as you can see, the texture nice, thick. Oh yeah. Yes, my people, it is all done. Yes, and I'm gonna show you now how we put it together, alright? So you wanna stay tuned, okay, stay connected for that. Alright, my people? Yes, oh yes. So we're gonna add it now to our blender, my people. Yes. So we're gonna put it in. Yes, my people. So you wanna get out all of it. Because you don't want any of this, you know, to be wasted at all. Alright. Yes, my people. And now we're gonna add our coconut milk. Yes. So we put it all in the blender. Now we're gonna add the coconut milk to it. Yes, my people. And this is what spices up things. Yes, and after the coconut milk, then we're gonna add the coriander. Yes, my people, this is what we call coriander. Yes, and this is from Something Better Lifestyle Solution. Yes, my people. Yes, so you can check them out on Facebook. Something Better. Yes, and now, my people, we're gonna add our spirulina. Yes, and now we're gonna add our spirulina, my people. As you can see, all some things going on here. Oh yeah. This is potent stuff, you know, my people. Yes. And then after that, you're gonna add a little Himalayan salt. Yes. We're gonna add a little Himalayan salt to it. You will love this. Yes. And then after that, we're gonna add the yellow duck root powder. Yes, my people, and this is a blood purifier. Yes, stops coughing. Yes, an antibiotic in itself and a mild laxative. All right. Yes, my people. Awesome things going on here in the country, like. Ah, yes. So now we're gonna add the agave nectar. Yes, to sweeten it for sure, my people. Yeah. Oh yes, because you know we want a little sweetness to it. All right. And as you can see, this is, you know, the organic way. Yes, because you know the agave nectar is a non-GMO sweetener. Oh yes. All right. And then we're going to put it all together
and draw off.
Yes, my people, so you'd want to blend it until it is really smooth. Yes, and as you can see right here, yes, really nice. Yes, my people. Oh yes. And we are going to get it. We're going to put a little in the glass. Yes. So we're going to put a little in the glass so you can see how good it is. Yes, my people. Yeah. Real goodness. So here you have it. The Irish moss. Sea moss. Yes, my people. Real good things. Wow. And the tubes of ginger, my people, really give it that extra knock. Yes. So you'd want to try this. Yes. You would want to also share this recipe with your friends, with your family. All right. So remember to, yes, share my videos. All right. So until next time, stay tuned, stay connected for another awesome video. All right.